Hi, my name is Adam Funk. I'm an attorney in Houston, Texas, and I specialize in childbirth injuries around the nation. Today, I want to talk to you about how a delayed C-section could have caused your baby's brain injury. So, first, I want to talk about what is a C-section. As you probably already know, it is an operation. It is when the obstetrician will open up the mother's abdomen, go through the muscle layer, go through the skin, then the muscle, and then get to the uterus. The surgeon will then open up the uterus in order to extract or deliver the baby. C-sections are used almost every single day across the nation. And the reason that they are used are various. For example, it could be that there are twins or triplets that need to be delivered safely. It could be that mom is a high risk type of mother. She has maybe a short pelvis and the baby is large, and therefore a C section is necessary. But sometimes everything is normal. Mom's physical size is normal, baby is normal. But during labor, what ends up happening is the baby stops getting oxygen for some reason. When that occurs, there is a problem. And the surgeon or the obstetrician must get the baby out as soon as possible. So, what the surgeon will do is make a decision to have an incision. And that decision to incision should be 30 minutes, no longer than 30 minutes. The exact moment that the obstetrician says, we need to take this baby by C section, no more than 30 minutes should pass that he or she is opening up mom and taking out the baby. Well, a delayed C section is when it takes much longer than 30 minutes, or when the decision to do a C section is taking too long. How do you know if a delayed C section was the cause of your baby's brain injury? Well, we look at both before and after the C section. First, we look at before the C section. Was your baby having some sort of abnormal fetal heart rate tracings? The strip that comes out, that's printed out, sometimes it's electronic, will show whether or not after contractions your baby was having an issue breathing or receiving oxygen while in the womb. If that is the case, then it is very clear that a C section needed to happen quickly. We will also look at evidence from after the delivery. What happened to your baby? Did he or she have poor muscle tone? Was she crying? Did she get intubated? Did she have a seizure? All of these things will allow us to factor in and decide whether or not the delay in the C-section was the cause of your baby's brain injury. If you have more questions about this topic, please give me a call and I would be happy to talk to you about it personally. My name is Adam Funk and I specialize in birth injury lawsuits.